Hey everybody, second video this week, video about factoring again, this time factoring versus distribution. How are they related? Reminder, right? We talked about factoring as the process of finding two numbers or expressions that multiply to a larger expression. One really clear way to kind of talk about this, right, is that factoring is we're writing an expression in an equivalent form. So like when you take 24 and you say, oh, the factors would be 8 and 3, 8 times 3 still is equivalent to 24. We haven't changed the value of the expression. We're just changing what it looks like. A visualization, right? Factoring is going from like a big expression and you are factoring it into these two pieces, right? These two different factors. But what would we think of it? Or how would we describe, right, the opposite direction? What would that be if we're going from these pieces to a big expression? Okay, let's see an example to think about it. So here we have 8x plus 12, and we could factor this, right? Let's factor 8x plus 12. So when we factor 8x plus 12, we would get 4 times 2x plus 3. Oh, because 4, right? 4 is the GCF of 4 is the greatest common factor of 8x and 12. If we were to list out all the factors, we would have 4 is the greatest common. We factor it out. We get 4 times 2x plus 3. Cool. What if we wanted to go from 4 times 2x plus 3 and change it back into 8x plus 12? We absolutely can do that. What would we call that? Well, here we have a 4. Oh, there's like a hidden multiplication symbol on the outside. Oh, so I'm taking this 4 and I'm multiplying it by the first term, and I'm multiplying it by the second term, and I am distributing or distribution. Distribution is like the opposite of factoring in this sense, right? Factoring is going from the big expression to the smaller pieces. Distribution would be going from the smaller pieces to the one big expression, okay? Both of them are rewriting an expression in an equivalent form. That's really important to note, right? We're not changing the value. We're just changing what it looks like, okay? So we can say factoring is undoing or reversing distribution. Distribution is reversing or undoing factoring. And a very important note, neither one of these things on their own is solving. Factoring is not solving. It's more like simplifying than like solving in this sense, right? We're changing what the expression looks like. We're not finding the value of x when we factor, okay? Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully everyone's doing well. Peace.